Hello, everybody. My name is Millie. Welcome to today's episode. In today's episode, we are taking a look at the new features in the Matrix table visual. So let's get right to it. This is the new Matrix visual with the new features. This gives us the ability to make it look very similar to the pivot tables that we had in Excel. So we can add blank spaces to it. We can just change the layouts options as well to make it look really different. And so let's get to it. Let me show you how to build this. Let's get our matrix table. And then we are taking a look at sales by different salespersons. So we can put in the supervisor here, the salesperson, the actual sales, and the target. And then we can break it down by year and month. So let's just bring in the date hierarchy and take out what we are not interested in. So we take out the day and quarter. And this is what we have as a start, and then we expand on. And this is the typical matrix table visual that we had in Power BI. But now let's add the new additions to it. So let's go into the layout and style presets. And now instead of default, we just changed it into outline. And now we have all the totals here in for the different supervisors, and also for the different salesperson. We can add blank rows to kind of separate it out a bit and make it really similar to what we have in pivot tables in Excel. So let's just change the color for that. So we have these as well. And if we go into the grid section, what we could do is to go down a bit into the border, and then we can just change the color here and then increase the width of it. And then this looks very similar to what we have in pivot tables. You can also play around with it. And if you go back into the layout, instead of the default styling, you could choose very different styling that shows you different things. And this is really interesting and gives you the ability of recreating something similar to pivot tables in Excel. So we go back to our default that we have, and this really looks good already. And we increase the width again. And this is it. This is a very short video of showing you what has been added to the matrix table. And this gives you more ability to create unique designs for the matrix table. Thank you, everybody, for watching this episode. Until next time, bye-bye.